Sakshi. I am studying in first class. My topic is Telugu Varnamala. Amma, Avu, Illu, Iga, Udata, Uyala, Dudushi, Duduka, Eluka, Enagu, Aidu, Onte, Aushadam, Mangadi, Antapuram, Kakadava, Kakadgam, Gagada, Gaganta, Inyato, Inya, Chachakram, Chachakramu, Jajada, Jajashamu, Inito Yagnam, Tatamata, Takantam, Dadambuka, Dadanka, Anavina, Tatala, Tadatam, Dadanda, Dadanamu, Nanaga, Papalaka, Fafalam, Babanti, Babavanam, Mamancham, Yayantram, Lalakshakudu, Lalata, Vavala, Sheshanka, Sheshapujamu,